Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you do a lot of selfies, I am so enthused and bewildered by this selfie stick, and this is by OBSBOT. And what's really awesome about it is that it has artificial intelligence built right into this camera. How the OBSBOT works is your camera on your phone is not what's going to be tracking you, but this camera lens right here is what tracks you, and as it moves around, it will move your phone around with it. The selfie stick is very bendy and adjustable, which is something that I really liked about it. It folds up into a compact case, as you can see, and it unfolds easily. It has lots of options of how you can adjust your phone, so it pivots in every direction, and you can also do, of course, the horizontal or the vertical stand. The phone stand also includes a mini tripod that you can use, but also if you look at the bottom of the OBSBOT, this is adjustable to basically any tripod. So if you already have a selfie stick at home, you want a little bit of height added onto this, then you can definitely use it. But all of this fits into a nice, convenient carrying case. So if you're out and you like doing a lot of filming when you're outside, this would be great. This is definitely awesome. It follows you around so well. It's super smart. It knows what direction you're going in and follows you at whatever pace that you try it. I would definitely recommend getting this. It's definitely high quality, good materials, and it works great. But that's just my point of view.